Oh, you mean when lady shows you the dog?
You need to tell her she forgot.
You tell lady she forgot to tell you.
I'm a little.
Look at that. Now no one's
Now
getting
you're definitely not.
You're covered on your butt. You got it? Yes, I do.
Look at that.
Okay.
My water over here still on?
Yeah, but let you get in the chair first, baby, then you get your water.
I don't have my phone very quick.
I'm sorry. If you need to step out, too.
No, I just want to.
Okay. So when you're ready, we're ready to stand up.
Got it, buddy.
Oh my goodness. He grabbed his arm right quick. Help me. Oh,
There you go.
oh my goodness.
It's a,
Look
the
at that.
wire- Good job, buddy.
It's
The wire's over there. No, nothing's out.
And I'll change your sheets too. Yeah, I can grab that right there.
We have some extra slack in our chest too.
We do.
Yeah. If you want to stay, I'll pick it up
Good.
for you.
It's
Perfect.
like
You okay?
1,000 pounds on my chest right now.
Just stay standing for just 1 second, okay? We're just gonna move your chest tube over.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna give it a little more slack with the suction. And we'll probably just stick it right here.
Okay.
Just gonna move the chamber, thank you, Darby, of the chest tube. That way too, it's not hanging across your body.
Mm-hmm. No, you're fine.
You wanna watch Daniel Tiger?
Yeah, I was watching Wild
You're all
Threats.
set.
Might as well sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to give me just a second to let out?
Oh, here. Do I have it?
No, okay. You can sit down. Whatever you want.
We're ready.
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
You went like
There you
this
go.
here. That's
Look at
what we're
that.
doing.